Hello, good morning. Today we are going to Muscat from Sohar for my PRP treatment. This is for hair loss. This one of the derma clinic is there. There are two branches, one in Zaiba and another one is in Koram near your Grand Mall. From Grand Mall to approximately it will take 10 minutes, I think. You can reach there. I already put here all the messages and the area. So good treatment, and that services also good of this Derma Clinica, and they are providing many offers also, and you can get for laser treatment and the nutrition treatment. Many types of services included in Derma. I already attached one video in the last of the column of this video, so you can refer this one. Now, as per video, we reached about the Muscat, that city center area we crossed. So check, this is a good offer because that time now this is a many loss of hair we are suffering from hair loss due to this water, atmosphere, this all type of issue is coming in our life. So I think it is a good option, and in India also available PRP treatment. If you are not want to go with hair transplant, so you can go for PRP treatment. This is a better for us and cheapest way, I think also. So you can save your money, and if you are in first stage or second stage, it will be better for you. Thank you. Please check. Now we reached Derma Clinica, and I will show the process or further what they are doing. Thank you. Now we reached already in Derma. We are going to first floor for doctor's room. You can see the interior is very good, and they maintain very hygiene and cleaning in this surrounding area. You can meet my friend here, Mr. Mitesh, and this is Miss Priya and Ratrika, my daughter. You can see this is the original flowers which one you are seeing. This is not a plastic, and this is the interior. You can see the roof portions. This is the decoration. Nicely they did all the things, very good quality. And this is the doctor room, where first of all we will donate some blood, or they will take our blood to separate the plasma. They will take only little bit which one you are doing for same you are giving for that blood sample, same quantity they will take, and they will put in one machine and separate the plasma from blood. After that they will put little bit anesthesia on your head to reduce the pain, because now we will ask to doctor regarding this issue, so you can listen carefully. Doctor will describe you. Thank you.
So this is PRP treatment for hair fall, or a type of hair fall called male androgenetic alopecia, which is a genetic disease. Start to show between 20s to the mid 20s, and in some person at 30s. The gene which is responsible for androgenetic alopecia cause decrease in blood supply to the hair follicles in an area of the crown, and so with time this follicles become more miniaturized and decreased in size. Though hairs coming from the one hair follicle is decreased, so there is decrease in hair density over time, which may be years. And then with time, when the hair follicle is lost, there is the baldness, which only treatment for baldness or the lost hair follicle to be restored, only the hair transplantation. This is the treatment after loss or in the advanced grades of androgenetic alopecia. Treatment is not only the PRP. The main treatment is the Regain or minoxidil treatment at home to be used for life, and the PRP treatment is about 6 sessions, 1 session every 1 month. This is to restore the hair follicles as early as possible and as much as possible before lost.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hello, Derma Clinica is providing many services. They have 2 branches in Oman. One is Azaiba and another one is Forum. Regarding these services, you can check here: dermatology, plastic surgery, skincare, laser hair removal, facelifting, and nutrition slim. We check here the best doctors team, and services also good. You can see here the whatever they are providing, all the Botox treatment and derma fillers, chemical peeling, lip augmentation, all services they have regarding your skin, face, neck, body. They are providing plastic surgery also, cosmetic surgery regarding your face, neck, eyelid surgery, chin correction, eyebrow, neck. I will provide the link or details in description box, so you can contact to them directly also. There are different type of facials also available regarding your face care, skin care, hydrofacial, aqua, diamond gel, carboxyfacial, vitamin C, gold. That we already went there and we found the best services is Derma Clinica. Laser hair removal services also available there. You can check the laser hair removal treatment. This is effective treatment, and that every month some discount also is offer is coming, so you will get in best price at facelifting, at all the treatments is available. I'll show you the nutrition related also available regarding slimming, body compositions, muscles, obesity, weight control, exercise planner, fitness. Thank you.